welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 low competition, high demand niches for profitable Amazon KDP books. Now, these KDP keywords are exclusive, they are high demand, and they are wonderful. So when it comes down to creating profitable books on Amazon KDP, finding the right keyword is very crucial. We want it to be high demand, we want it to be low competition, and this will significantly boost our chances of success. So what I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to explore with you 3 keywords that are currently thriving on Amazon KDP. These niches offer a great opportunity to create content that stands out even if you're new to the platform. So before you get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos to do with Amazon KDP. The first keyword is executive functioning workbook for kids. Now let's break down the results. This keyword has a keyword niche score of 69 and a total results of 334 and an average price of $16.33. And the first keyword that we are going to explore is executive functioning workbook for kids. This niche has high demand and relatively low competition, making it a golden opportunity for KDP publishers. Executive functioning, let's get to know what it is before we get started, because you need to understand that when you're creating workbooks that are quite complex, such as this niche, you need to know what you're talking about. So executive functioning refers to a set of mental processes that enable individuals to plan, focus attention, remember instructions, and juggle multiple tasks effectively. These skills are really essential for children as they grow. It will help them to manage their time, control their impulses, and achieve their goals as well. So how can we create content for this niche? While many existing books in this niche are medium to high content, such as detailed ebooks or comprehensive workbooks, there is always room to create low content books like workbooks and journals. You can use platforms like Creative Fabrica to find templates and worksheets related to executive functioning. You can also find a link for a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which enables you to access and download up to 10 bundles or 10 downloads for that 30 days. And you could also cancel before the 30 days is up. You can take advantage, linked in the description box below. Creative Fabrica also allows you to customize and compile the interiors into your own unique workbook. So a couple of tips in order to create content for this specific keyword. I've got 3 tips. First of all, target specific age groups. So create workbooks that are tailored for different age groups to better meet the needs of children at various developmental stages of their life. Tip number 2, include practical exercises. So I want you to focus on worksheets that help children improve planning, attention, memory, and multitasking skills. And tip number 3 is research and innovate. Spend time understanding executive functioning to create content that genuinely helps children develop these crucial, important skills. So let's head to our second keyword for the day, which is positive behavior activities for kids. And this keyword has a keyword niche score of 49, a total results of 474, and an average price of $15.65. And our second keyword, positive behavior activities for kids. It is another area with a really strong demand but limited competition, and this is exactly what we're looking for. So why does this niche work? Well, positive behavior activities, they're really essential in helping children develop good habits, manage emotions, and interact positively with others. These types of books are in high demand among parents and educators who seek to provide children with the tools they need to navigate social situations and also help to develop their emotional intelligence. So how can we approach this keyword? Well, we can get started by creating books in this niche that involve designing activities, making exercises that promote positive behavior. Examples including worksheets on things like self-esteem, empathy, anger management, and responsibility. As with the first keyword we discussed, you can find and create these worksheets using resources like Creative Fabrica and other simple platforms. So just before we head to the niche number 3, I have 2 tips for you for this specific keyword. Tip number 1, sub-niche by age and gender. You can go ahead and cater to specific demographics such as books for boys ages 4 to 8, or for example, girls ages 8 to 12 to better address the unique needs of these groups. And tip number 2 is incorporate engaging interactive content. So include activities like word searches, drawing exercises, and self-reflection prompts as well to make the workbook both educational and fun at the same time. Now let's head to our third and final keyword for the day. And our final keyword for the day is anxiety toolkit for teens. And this has a keyword niche score of 62 and a total results of 230 and an average price of $15.82. And our third niche, anxiety toolkit for teens. This targets a growing concern among teenagers, especially teenagers managing anxiety. And this keyword not only has a good keyword score, but it also has a relatively low number of competing books. Now, why is this keyword important and why did I choose to share it with you in today's video? With increasing awareness of mental health, tools and resources to help teenagers manage stress are more in demand than ever now. So books like this offer practical strategies for dealing with stress and anxiety. They can be very successful as well, and they will also have a very important positive goal in mind, which is to help others, teenagers, manage and process their anxiety in a positive environment. So what I want you to do here is we need to focus on creating a teen-focused toolkit. So when creating content for this keyword, consider developing a series of workbooks, journals, and habit trackers that all work together to address common anxiety triggers for teens. You can combine prompts for creative writing, stress relief exercises, and also other anxiety managing, monitoring, reducing activities. So as always, customize existing templates, or you can go ahead and create your own from scratch. This can really make your book stand out, and it will really give it a unique and professional look as well. So before ending this video, a couple of tips about this keyword. First of all, customize for teens. So use language, use designs, implement content that resonates with teenagers nowadays. This might include trendy graphics, relatable scenarios, and straightforward advice. Offer practical solutions, so focus on actionable advice that teenagers can implement in their daily life, such as mindfulness exercises, goal setting strategies, and also habit tracking would be wonderful. Venturing into low content, low competition, high demand niches like the 3 keywords that I shared with you in today's video can significantly enhance your chances of success on Amazon KDP. So whether you're focusing on executive functioning skills for teens, positive behavior activities, or anxiety toolkits for teenagers, the key here and the strategy here is to always aim to offer valuable, well-researched content that meets the needs of your target audience. Remember, each of the keywords that we shared in today's video allows for further sub-niching based on things such as age, gender, specific needs, and it gives you a wonderful collection of opportunity to create unique, impactful products. So get started, do your research, and start creating books that will help children and teenagers thrive while also focusing on low demand, high demand, low competition keywords. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.